point to note, a lot of frost and ice does build up at the back of the fridge, making it difficult to clean, but also it does hold some of the fittings, such as the crisper drawers, like down there, in place. So when you pull them, they do become cracked, as is evident from this one. If we look here, there is minimal frosting at the top, but even so, if you pull it out, it does become stuck, which is what's happened when you've pulled it here. And the same goes to this one, which I've attempted to repair. Showing that one more time.